As the name implies, electronics, robotics, automation. In this program, we study electronics followed by robotics, and then we integrate everything that we've read so far, studied so far, into industrial automation. Electronics are all around us, they run our world. Semiconductors are essentially the backbone of a lot of the equipment around us. And with robotics, we study the industrial control arms, such as this one behind me, and essentially we learn how to make this arm do what we need to do using a teach pendant. So essentially we teach the arm to pick and place things in an industrial context, and then we also learn how to troubleshoot this arm if it's already up and running in an industrial environment. We also learn about robotic microcontrollers such as this one. The students essentially integrate a sensing element to a microcontroller to get an idea of the world around them. And then they get to actuate, let's say, a motor based on logical decisions that can be made inside a microcontroller. In industrial automation, we combine more industrial controllers such as programmable logic controllers to more industrial sensors and actuators such as this robotic arm, and essentially that's the essence of what we study in this ERA mechatronics program. So students that go through this program usually take one or two career paths. Either they go into manufacturing, either big manufacturing such as the Boeings and the Intels of the world, or small and medium scale enterprises. And then the second stream of students is they already have an underlying interest in electronics, and they get the knowledge from this program and apply it to something, let's say automotive electronics, repairing them, building them, so on and so forth. So I'm really looking forward to this program to grow. We are hoping to come up with our own robotics team and be able to compete statewide and then eventually nationwide. We're also really looking forward to integrate some of the clean energy technologies into this program, such as the recent hydrogen hub and the associated technologies in the transportation sector. So I'm really hoping the program grows so that we have our own robotics competition teams, and then also students interested in the clean energy and the hydrogen ecosystem that's coming into this area.